Hi there, welcome to Sugar Hiccups. I'm so excited. Today I'm going to work on my altered Halloween book. So what I'm going to do is finish the cover, and then I'm going to go through the pages and sort of spruce them up a little bit and add a few things. Are you ready? Let's get started. So here's my stash that I'm going to use for my altered book. The actual cover, I am going to use these two pieces. I'm using double-sided tape here to adhere this on the cover. I thought about glue, but I wanted to see how double-sided tape did. So far, so good. This little girl here, which I think just looks adorable. So here's the cover. It's Halloween. And I'm very pleased with the way that turned out. I like that. Okay, so on the first page, I want to take this spider web and cut it out and use as a pocket. And there we have a spiderweb pocket where I am going to put this cute vintage witch card in it. It says, "Hello you, happy Halloween." And she fits nicely right there. I made these pockets on a previous video, so I cannot wait to use it, and I am going to put this here. So here is the pocket, and here is the index card, and a cute little candy corn. And on this side, I believe I am going to start using my glue because the double-sided tape is very difficult for me. Maybe I'm using the wrong kind. So I am going to go ahead and go back to gluing, which I love. And it's regular Elmer's glue. And on this page, I have some little witches, and they are going to go right here. And then I have this postcard. I got this from Tim Holtz, and I thought it would be perfect to go right up here. Kind of like the witches, they walk among us and they're in the city, and I don't know, I think that's kind of fun. So it tells a little story. And then I thought Megan here can actually, she was part of these witches, but there was an overhang, so I cut her out, and I thought she could be right here. Yeah, that looks good. I love these little pops of yellow, so I'm going to use these. Now I have this little cut of yellow trim I want to put here. There we go. I'm going to seal it and hope that it stays put while I work on the rest of my journal. There we go. I love putting this down on the altered book because I like seeing little peekaboo phrases or words from the original book, but it somehow actually could relate to what I put down. For instance, I was going to boldly ask him out. My first success was that very night at a bar I'd invited friends to in Brooklyn. So, I don't know. This is just hilarious to me. So I'm going to put this down. Now, I had originally put this paper down, but when I looked at my journal, even though I'm going to collage and put ephemera and journal in this later, I just didn't care for that. So I wanted to soften it up with this lavender. I like this glue. This is called Craft Bond. It's easy to squeeze. I like this much better than the stick. So I'm going to use this more. I think I'll just put this here. I do not know why I like this image in my Halloween book, but I do. So I am going to put this here. And I'd like to leave Asheville, North Carolina, and Memphis, Tennessee there. I've got plenty of other pages here that I can fill up at a later date. And here I made a little pocket, but I'm going to glue it. I'm not going to use the double-sided tape. And how adorable is this image? That goes there. And this fits nicely here. I will have to put some washi down later on this piece, I believe. I don't want to, because I really love the black and white. So I'm going to work with this later and see what I can do. Because I love it just like this. But I don't know. Okay. Ooh, I have these. I wanted to put a kitty cat on it. I think I got these. This is Recollections. I got it from Michael's, I believe. So I'm going to staple this down. It's a little donut cover. There. It's finished. Nice. Okay. This little kitty cat won't be any trouble, I'm sure. Oh, and I also have this. just clamping it to seal the glue. Let's take a final flip through of some of the things we did today. And there we have it. Thank you so much for joining me. I had a super time, and I hope you join me soon because I'm going to have one more video that I can do just a few more things with this altered book junk journal. So see you next time, and thank you. Bye bye.